Hello, and thank you for watching this short video all about how you can take financial advantage of the current financial crisis, or any financial crisis anytime in the future. First of all, my name is Malcolm Pennington, and I'm an affiliate with a company called KB Vision, who provide free online accounts for people who want to swap cash for gold. Cash, as you are about to discover, historically loses value due to inflation, whilst gold has proven for thousands of years to be an excellent store of value, particularly in times of economic hardship, political unrest, and at times like now when there is a recognised financial crisis. This video is especially for those people who are nervous or anxious about rising unemployment and the general loss of financial strength due to falling housing prices, inflation, and poor returns from the stock market, etc. Yes, that means people like you. In fact, 100% of those people interviewed said they were either worried or concerned about the present financial implications. So please watch the entire video, and I promise you will be better informed in order to avoid becoming a financial victim, and instead to be able to take financial advantage of the current economic situation. And my question is this: if a new financial institution was to open up in your local area, doing things differently but offering you a better deal than where you bank right now, would you take a closer look at it to see what makes it different, and also to see how you would benefit? Yes or no? And by the way, assuming you were satisfied with the service, would you be prepared to recommend it to other people, especially if the company was to pay you up to €670 plus up to 5.5% on all the deposit accounts that you personally referred? Yes or no? So what you are about to learn is how to swap spare cash for 24 carat 999.9 Kinabar quality gold bullion, which is the finest purity gold bullion available, with a free online account. Yes, you heard that correct. It's totally free to register as a customer, and furthermore, you can upgrade to an affiliate for free also, in order to get paid for referring this program to other people. So for this presentation, we will compare the pros and cons of 4 different options. Option 1 is investing in the UK stock market. Option 2 is investing in the UK housing market. Option 3 is investing in a bank savings account. And option 4 is saving with gold bullion and swapping your spare cash for gold. So this is option 1, putting your money into the UK stock market. So this is the FTSE 100, which is the index of the top 100 companies trading in the UK today. The graph shows the index from 1985 up until 2011, and currently the index, or the FTSE index, is trading just over 6,000 points. So this chart is the annual returns, or should we say the profits and losses, for the FTSE 100 from the year 1985 up until the year 2010. This is the UK stock market. So if we go back to the year 2000, you will see that the UK stock market, or the FTSE 100, made a loss in 2000 of 6.5%. In 2001 it made a loss again of 14.7%, another loss again in 2002 of 23.4%, it made a gain of 12.4% in 2003, another profit in 2004 of 8.7%, a profit of 18.1% in 2005, a profit again of 9.7% in 2006, a profit of 2.1% in 2007, it made a loss of 30.9% in 2008, it made a gain of 22.1% in 2009, and it made another profit of 9% in 2010. So if you subtract the profits from the losses, what that would mean is, had you had put money into the UK stock market in the year 2000 and taken your money out in the year 2010, you would have actually realised a return of exactly 6.6% plus possible dividends. What this means is that, allowing for inflation, you would have actually experienced a loss by putting your money into the UK stock market. So we're now going to look at option 2, putting your money into the UK housing market. You will notice from the chart that average UK house prices have now been falling for over 3 years, and with the difficulty of obtaining a mortgage combined with economic uncertainty and rising unemployment, many are now nervous of the housing market, and the likelihood of average UK house prices increasing in the short term is extremely unlikely. Now, an important consideration is this: you will be aware that inflation is currently running at over 4% per annum, and this means that your investment has to produce a minimum of 4% per annum in order to stand still and avoid losing any money whatsoever. So view the following graph to see the rate of inflation since January 2010. So this is a chart that quotes the UK inflation as quoted by the CPI, which is the Consumer Prices Index, and it shows that between January 2010 and March 2011 that the CPI, the Consumer Prices Index, or inflation generally, has been running between 3% and 4.4%. This means that your investment has to produce at least 4.4% per annum just to keep ahead of inflation. So now we have option 3. This is putting your money into a UK bank savings account, and below we're actually quoting you the best rates currently available from the UK banks who are offering savings accounts. What you will see is that Barnsley is actually offering you a return of 3.95% on a fixed term of 2 years with a minimum balance of £1,000. The Nationwide is offering you a return of 3.05% with a minimum balance of £1,000. Indirect are offering 3% with a minimum balance of just £1. Santander offer 3% with a minimum balance of just £1, and Lloyds TSB offer 2.65% with a minimum balance of £1. So all these rates, which are currently the best ones available at the moment, range between 2.65% and 3% for balances less than £1,000. All of these rates are less than 4.4%, which is the current rate of inflation. So by having money sitting in a UK bank savings account means that each year you're actually losing money. So we're now going to look at option 4, the possibility of swapping cash, which we now know is going down in value, for gold, which we can see from this chart is actually going up in value. Not only is it going up in value at the moment, but you can see from the chart that it's actually risen in value over 500% in the last 10 years. In the year 2001, gold, as you can see, was selling at over $300 an ounce. Today, not only is it rising day by day, but it's currently being sold at over $1,500 an ounce. And with inflation worries, the debt crisis in USA and Central Europe, which has spiraled out of control, there's every reason to believe that the gold prices will continue to rise, and experts actually predict at least a doubling of the gold price, and therefore gold is expected to be trading at something like $3,000 an ounce very soon. So option 4, opening a free online account with KB Vision and saving by purchasing small affordable weights of 24 carat 999.9 kinabar quality gold bullion. in weights of 5 grams, 2.5 grams, 1 gram or 0.5 grams, all presented, as you can see below, on a product card with a hologram and a serial number to prove their authenticity, and either delivered or stored free of charge. You can now start saving on a monthly basis with just €50 monthly as a minimum, which can be increased at any time to suit your convenience. There are 3 ways to save with KB Vision and to purchase Gold Bullion. The first option is to save with a one-time payment. The second option is to save with a periodic payment, and the third option is to save with a monthly savings plan. The most important thing is once you've opened a free online account with KB Vision, you actually own the account. You manage the account and you control the account. Nobody else. Only you own it, manage it and control it. So you have access to the account 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. On a monthly savings plan, this is the most popular method of saving. It can be started from as little as €50. It can be increased at any time, and this method of saving also benefits from what we call euro cost averaging. So when customers register a free online account with KB, customers can also upgrade to an affiliate without any cost. So it's free to register as a customer. It's also free to upgrade to an affiliate, and all KB affiliates can recommend the KB savings plan to other people, and the KB affiliates can earn bonuses of up to €670 for every referred savings account, plus up to 5.5% on all those referred deposits forever. Many affiliates therefore are now getting free gold with the help of their monthly commissions. So now this is the question: would you like to register a free online account with KB today as a customer and an affiliate, where you'll be the owner, manager and controller of your account, and you can swap cash, which we've seen from the presentation is going down in value, to gold bullion, which has actually been going up in value for the last 10 years or more? So the answer is yes or no. If you would like further information without cost or obligation, simply go to the website, which is www.wheretoBuyGold.co.uk. Thank you for your attention, and we look forward to you saving with Gold Bullion today.